Course where we're going to be building a fun interactive game from scratch, and what's more fun than blackjack? And the objective of the upcoming lessons is all about JavaScript. We're going to be building out this game from scratch, focusing on JavaScript. This is the game that we're going to be building. It's a fully functional blackjack game where we've got the dealer on the top, the player on the bottom. You've got some options where you can hit and stand. So in this case, I'll just do a hit and then I'll stand. It does the calculations, sees that the dealer score was 21 and the dealer wins with 21. We also incorporated the option to place bets. So right now the player has $100 of cash. I bet 50. So now we're down to $50 of cash. Clicking deal and stand or take another card. So we're going to stand in this case and see the dealer busted. So that ends the player up with cash of 150. So let's bet again. Deal ended up with blackjack. That provided the player with cash of 200. Dealer score 20. You win with 21. It's all done with JavaScript, or as much as possible with JavaScript. We've got very minimal HTML as well as CSS. We do have one lesson with CSS and we go through that rather quickly, and focusing as much as possible with JavaScript, really getting to the option to practice and get familiar with what can be done with JavaScript, interacting with DOM and updating, manipulating elements, general JavaScript logic in order to create gameplay. All of the source code is included, and I do encourage you to try it out for yourself, build your own version of the game, get familiar with what's being presented within the lessons, the content, as well as get more familiar with JavaScript. If you have any questions or comments, I'm always happy to hear from you within the Q&A section. Please let me know. I know you're excited to get started, so let's start building this game out from scratch.